Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. How have to be? Welcome back dear friends my YouTube channel at a crochet pattern. Hopefully friends you will be fine. Spending a good and lavish life. Most welcome dear friends. My channel I shared with you new and great crochet thinking, eligible ideas which are very beautiful and are different to each other. Hopefully friend you will be gain different type of thinking ideas which I shared with you in this video. Let's come dear friend and I shared with you new and great crochet ideas. So friend you will be gain different type of thinking ideas which I shared with you in this video. I hope you will be enjoy my ideas which I introduced in this video. Come dear friend I shared with you new and great crochet thinking ideas that are completely different to each other. Crochet Christmas ideas in this video I shared with you, and hopefully you will be enjoy my ideas which I shared. And you will begin different type of criteria to watching this video and like my ideas. These are very beautiful to each other. Hopefully friends these ideas are very beautiful to each other. You will begin different type of thinking criteria to watching this video. So friends subscribe my channel. I shared with you in this video new and great crochet thinking ideas that are very beautiful and are different to each other. Subscribe my channel, like my ideas. Thank you friends. Next time I will meet you.